Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Terry in the Trenches token. Ticker symbol is Terry. Now this is a turtle meme coin on the Solana blockchain. Just got a very big central exchange listing yesterday. We're going to go over the information on the Terry in the Trenches token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, yesterday, this token got a big central exchange listing. This token is doing very well. Today, it kind of took a dip, though. It is down 52% right now, but still has a market cap of $12.8 million. Just today, they've had a 24-hour trading volume of $17.9 million. And this token basically was just created 3 days, 22 hours ago on Raydium. But yeah, the price kind of got cut in half today. The price right now for this token is 1.3 cents per token. They have been doing some marketing today on Dex Screener. They have the marketing boost ads button. It says 30 lightning bolts there. They have $614,000 worth of liquidity in Raydium. And according to Dex Screener, 99.57% of that total liquidity is locked and burned. Today they've had 37,617 transactions. Very popular project. And yesterday they got a big central exchange listing. It says here that November 25th, they got listed on a very big central exchange called Mexc Global at 11:30 a.m. UTC time. So that has already passed, and it is available now on Mexc. So if you are looking to get this token here and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search Terry, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen here as usual so you guys can easily find this project. It is at Terry Trenches. And on this Twitter right here, you can see there's a full link tree that's going to take you anywhere you need to go. Brand new Twitter, just joined November 2024. It says, hey, I'm a little turtle working on pumping your bags. And they have the contract address right there. You can see it ends in pump because this is a Solana meme coin that was created on a webpage called pump.fun. They have 197 tweets so far, blue verified checkmark, 4,288 followers, and they even have a Twitter community that you could join right there that has 746 members. It says, join the community to participate in daily activities and giveaways. Terryism is a movement for those who keep fighting daily in the trenches. Terryism is for you, soldiers. So this token here is also available on decentralized exchanges. So maybe, you know, Mexc Global is not available in your area, or maybe you just don't want to use a central exchange. You can get this token also off of Raydium by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet, or Solflare, or Phantom wallet with Sol. You could download a wallet from the Google Play Store, the Apple App Store, or get a Chrome extension on your PC. Then you would fund that wallet with Sol. Now you could fund your wallet with Sol from a central exchange. And there is a list of central exchange links you could use down there in the description box. Then you'd go into the dApps, you would find Raydium, and then using the contract address, you could see right there, you would trade your Sol for the Terry token using that contract address. Now you probably will not have to set slippage. I haven't seen anything about taxes for this token. And you will have to pay a small amount of gas fees when buying tokens off of Raydium, so just be aware of that. And this token may also be available on other Solana dexes like Raydium, Jupiter, Meteora, and Orca. So yeah, I saw this token actually trending yesterday on Dex Tools, and on Dex Screener they do have a quick audit. It says no mintable tokens and contract is not freezable. And if you go over to Dex Tools, there is another quick audit over there by Quick Intel Security, and it says no honeypot, verified contract. It says no mintable tokens, tax is not modifiable, and no other risks. But keep in mind, that is just a quick audit. It's not a full audit. It doesn't go over everything. If you check out the link tree right there, they have a link to their webpage. They have a link to their Telegram, Twitter. You can also find this token on SolScan, Dex Tools, Dex Screener, Bird Eye, Bubble Maps, and CoinGecko as well. Right now they have 8,840 holders. It looks like they started out with a total supply of 1 billion tokens. It's a deflationary token, and right now their total and circulating supply is, or the total supply is, I don't see where it says circulating supply, but it says 989.75 million tokens. And they have a DEX score of 99 out of 99 and a community trust score of 100% out of 6 votes. If you go to their webpage, it says, "Hello, I'm Terry, and these are my memories." Hashtag Terryism. And it's just a bunch of crazy videos, basically, like this, you know, this turtle has seen everything crazy, basically. So their webpage is basically just a meme filled with memes. And their Telegram, lastly, if you want to follow that, is at Terry in the Trenches. Real easy to find that. 1,363 Telegram subscribers. You can preview the channel before joining, but that's going to be another great place to see updates regarding this project, along with the Twitter. So go check it all out. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.